everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm. This is a monthly subscription box that is, I think it's about $30, but you are guaranteed to get, maybe it's $20. And I don't know, but you get a really good deal. And these are full size, you get 5 different things. And I don't peek or look early to see what I'm gonna get so I can change them up or any of that, but there may be a possibility or a way to do that. And they always give you a little card that tells you a little bit about the things that are in here, but I don't like to look at this until I am done looking. So this is Goal Digger is the name of this. And like I said, there are 5 full-sized things in here. The first one is premium synthetic handcrafted buttons, I was going to say. And I don't know if you can see, but there's 4 different, looks like 2 little smudgy brushes and 2 that are like eyeshadowy brushes, and they have gold glitter on them. These are made by Luxy. And I'm just going to read what it says. Luxy Luminous Eye Set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxy Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The Luxy 141 Mini Round Brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxy 121 Mini Tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease line. The Luxy 111 Mini Flat Angled Brush lets you blend your harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxy 131 Mini Angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. So they are all 4 different. I can't seem to open it, but you know what? I think I'm just going to cut it. And these retail for $21, or that's the manufacturer's suggested retail price. So here they are, and I guess once I open it I can see that they are different. So yeah, they feel nice. I have a zillion brushes, so I don't know, I'm not super thrilled with brushes anymore just because I have a million. And it's funny because I started out didn't know how to even use a brush, but yeah. Ooh, and then here is FarahBrushes.com. But these look like double-ended tweezers. How interesting is this? And how do you get into it? This is so bizarre. Why is everything so hard to open? I mean, it seems like this would be like a little case that you could keep it in. And it has like the little pointy and then just regular tweezers over there. Galaxy Gold tweezers. These dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. Again, I'll just cut into it. The unique patented design is made with surgical stainless steel. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. So that is really cool. So one side is the flat side, the other side is the little pointed side. They feel really nice. Let's see if I can grab a hair. Oh yeah. I wonder. Yeah, I mean it works, which is good, and I don't feel I'm trying to grab one with the pointed side. I don't really like the pointed tweezers, like even in my own stash, but it's kind of nice that they are dual-ended. That's really cool. So I hadn't heard of Farah, but I like it. And I wish that there was like a little lid for this so that it won't fall out of this, because I kind of like keeping them in a case, and I might put this one in my purse. And this is Cover FX Glitter Drops. What in the world? Weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want a lustrous glow. Well, let's see what this says. Oh, and these are only 12 bucks. Not bad. Okay, these are by Nova, apparently. Oh my goodness. $44 it says. Holy shibboleth, that's crazy. These ultra concentrated drops of many dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. $44. Now it is glittery. And it is a dropper. How funny is that? And it is very, very glittery. I'm just going to be glittered it up. Wow. I'm not sure when one would wear this. I mean, I think it's beautiful. I love glitter, so it's very pretty. I just think I would be self-conscious if I wore this like on my face. Maybe not. I don't know. Would you wear this? I know I wouldn't spend $44 on it, but if you want to know the truth, I'm loving it. I absolutely love it because I love glitter and I love sparkle and shine. So at first I was like, what? That's crazy. But now that I'm looking at it, I absolutely love it. $44, shoot, I'd pay twice. No, I'm teasing. I really wouldn't spend $44 on it, but I would secretly want to. And if I was 20 or heck, 25, I probably, I don't know, I might spend $44 on it. I wouldn't today, but I'm going to tell you, I'm happy I have it. I really like it. It's really pretty. Wow. I didn't expect that, but hey. And what is this? Oh, makeup brush cleanser. Very nice. Spray directly onto the brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly as not to soak your hairbrush or your brush hair. For deeper cleansing, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water and squeeze excess water and lay your brush flat to dry. So this retails for $12. Cleaning and disinfecting your brushes have never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleaning spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. So let's smell it. Yeah, it smells like orangey. Smells good. Cool, I'm excited to have that. And then, last but not least, says Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. Ooh, very pretty. My hands, that's so funny. Okay. Oh my word. Look at these. I don't know if these are blushes or what are they? Featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So it seems like a lot of the eyeshadow colors that are coming out are just not me. I don't think I would ever wear any of these reds or peaches. I would maybe wear some of these, but even so, it would be such a small amount. And these are fun names. It's jasmine, clove, myrtle, cinnamon, primrose, poppy, rose, and patchouli. So I'm probably going to gift this because I will not use these and I won't do it justice. But I mean, it's cool. It's just not me. So as nice as they are, I don't even want to use them because I want it to be new for the person that I give them to, who will probably be my daughter, and she would understand if I did, so it's not a big deal. But if she doesn't like them, then I will gift them somewhere else. And you know what? I probably actually need to do a giveaway here soon, so I might even put them in the giveaway. So we shall see. I will talk about that in the future. So keep watching and tune in if you are so interested. And goodness gracious, this is by far my favorite. So my order of favorite for this box is definitely these glitter drops, which sounds ridiculous and crazy, I know, but I can't help it. Oh, and this retails for $24.99. So this is my favorite, followed by these cool tweezers that I absolutely love and really will use. and then probably the makeup brush cleaner. I don't have any of that. I just use shampoo. And then probably the brushes, and then least is this, just because they're not my colors and I won't use them. But it is really cool and I like it. And I would probably, my old me would probably keep it and just store it and hoard it and have it and never use it. So at least now I'm trying to not keep those things. I'm trying to gift them. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.